In December 2010, an event took place that would forever change the financial services landscape in South Africa. The listing of MMI Holdings on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange saw the coming together of two financial powerhouses to create a new entity with incredible potential to shape the financial futures of hundreds of thousands of people from all walks of life. Over the last 4 years, the company has grown, evolved and changed to become an organization with a footprint that has spread not only across the African continent, but also into the rest of the world. This expansion and growth was part of the original rationale behind the merger of Metropolitan Holdings and the Momentum Group. The potential for diversification in product offerings and income streams, the improved intellectual property base, and a bigger market share meant that this merger was not primarily based on expense savings, but rather on creating new opportunities and unlocking new horizons. With a Fitch rating of AA+ for MMI Holdings' main life insurance entity, the group is perfectly poised to grow even further. Today, MMI is one of the largest insurance-based financial services groups listed on the South African Stock Exchange, the JSE, with a market capitalization of 48 billion rand as at December 2014. Since the merger, the group has attained a number of landmark milestones, including impressive value creation for all our shareholders, the retention of a vast pool of key management talent, the successful merger of two large employee benefit businesses to create Momentum Employee Benefits, which is now the leading incapacity insurer in the country, phenomenal earnings growth as a result of our diversified portfolio, an increase in profits across our operating divisions, and the successful amalgamation of two large South African life licenses. In addition to these remarkable growth benchmarks, the two client-facing brands, Metropolitan and Momentum, have remained unchanged in their personalities and have grown stronger in the eyes of the consumers and across all their market sectors. Although not a primary goal, it's important to note that this amalgamation has reduced the headcount of the organization and has allowed us to exceed merger savings of 500 million rand. Our business is now built around segment capabilities, channel capabilities, and products and solutions. Through our main client-facing brands, Metropolitan, Momentum, Guard Risk, and Iris, MMI is able to offer long and short-term insurance, asset management, investment and savings, health care administration, health risk management, employee benefits, retirement fund administration, property management, and rewards programs. As we move forward into the future, we will focus on three key strategic areas: growth, client centricity, and excellence. These three areas will allow us to better meet the financial wellness needs of both clients and shareholders alike, and will position MMI Holdings to continue our successful trends. Each of these three key areas will ensure positive growth and continued expansion into new geographies, offering innovative life insurance and short-term products. Part of the diversification strategy will be to target the middle income segment in South Africa and also employ alternative distribution channels to reach the currently uninsured. The commitment of management and staff to these areas will also mean that MMI Holdings will move forward with a single, unified approach towards our goal to be the preferred lifetime financial wellness partner with a reputation for innovation and trustworthiness. This in turn will allow us to enhance the lifetime financial wellness of people, their communities and their businesses. To date, our strong approach to our goals and our commitment to this vision has allowed MMI Holdings to offer solid core headline earnings and contributions by each business division as follows. Our journey thus far has been one of positive growth and expansion. Through the loyalty of our clients, our focus on our vision, and the commitment of all our staff, we will continue to move on this path and enrich the lives of all who come into contact with us. Thank you for sharing this journey with us. Should you require any further information, please contact Natalie Amos telephonically on +27 21 940 6112 or email her at namos@mmIholdings.co.za.